Students, here we are with our fourth question, and the question is, we are given in the statement a relation, a functional relation, f of x square plus x plus 2 times f of x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 9x square minus 15x, and this relation holds for all x belonging to R. Now there can be two ways of approaching it. Of course, I will be taking up the way which normally as a JEE aspirant or as a JEE faculty or teacher we do it. And what is it? What we normally do? We normally try to substitute x by something such that they interchange their position. The input of two functions in LHS should interchange their position. That's why I think you all remember we target, isn't that? So see how I started it. I started this question by the understanding that of the curve of quadratic. If I draw it, the root for the second one, x square minus 3x plus 2 are 1 and 2, whereas for root for the first one are minus 1 and 0, isn't that? So now I realize that if I shift the curve by half unit towards left, both the curve, bachcho. So what I need to do? I need to replace x by x plus half here. So what do we get? In that case, I get it as f of x, which is x plus half, into x plus 1, which is x plus 3 by 2, plus 2 times f of, this is of course x minus 1 into x minus 2. So the factors are x minus 1 into, and when I replace x by x plus half here, what do we get? We get x minus half into x minus 3 by 2, and of course the same we get here, 3 times x plus half into 3x plus half minus 5. Okay, so what will that give us? 3x minus 7 by 2. I think you all got that, isn't that? Now see what happened. Now it got symmetric about the, now if I try to draw the curve for both the quadratic, it will be like minus 3 by 2 and minus half, something like this, and half and 3 by 2, something like this, meeting at y axis at x is equal to 0. Okay, now what does that mean? It seems that if I take mirror image of this curve, I get this curve about the y axis. So what I need to do? I need to replace x by minus x. What do we get? So what do we get here? F of minus x plus half. So okay, I shall write it quickly, minus x plus half into minus x plus 3 by 2, 2 times f of minus x minus half minus x minus 3 by 2 is equal to 3 times minus x plus half and minus 3x minus 7 by 2. Okay, now see, this one is actually the second term here, and this one is actually the first term here. Okay, so what will I do? I will just write it again. So f of x plus half into f of into x plus 3 by 2, 2 times f of x minus half into x minus 3 by 2 is equal to 3 times x plus half into 3x minus 7 by 2. Now rewriting it again, the first one under the second one. So what will I get? I get it as f of x minus half x minus 3 by 2, 2 times f of x plus half x plus 3 by 2. Okay, so just simplifying it, bachcho, x minus half into 3x plus 7 by 2. Now multiply. Of course, I am going for elimination method, so I am going to multiply this by 2. So this into 2, this into 2, and then subtract. This is gone. What are we left with? 4 minus 1 is 3 times f of x minus half into x minus 3 by 2. Now what is it? This is equal to 6. So I will take 3 common here. 2 times x square, 3x square plus 3x by 2 minus 7x by 2 minus 7 by 4. Okay, minus again 3 is common, yeah. So, okay, in any case, we will get 3x square minus 3x by 2 plus 7x by 2 and then again minus 7 by 4. So, what do we have? So, we have 3 times, so 3 we took common, no, both the sides. So, we can remove 3 from here. So, it's f of x minus half into x minus 3 by 2 is actually 2 times. 6 minus 3 is 3x square. 3x is 3x and then plus 3x by 2 is 9x by 2. We can simplify, okay, there are so many ways of simplifying. Minus 7x and minus 7x by 2 is minus 21x by 2. And then minus 7 by 2 plus 7 by 4 is minus 7 by 4. That's what we have in RHS. So just simplify it. So it's minus, so it's 3x square minus 6x minus 7 by 4. Okay, now see, I will again try to convert it to similar. So again, at last I will replace x by x plus half. So we get f of x into x minus 1 is equal to, so we have 3x common, x minus 2 minus 7 by 4. So of course, here I have to replace, I mean that was actually 3x into x minus 2. I should have replaced, because we should replace x by x plus half on both the sides simultaneously, okay. So it will get x plus half into x minus 3 by 2 minus 7 by 4. Now what is it? So 3 times x square plus x by 2 minus x, and see, we got it, okay. And then it is minus 3 by 4 minus 7 by 4. So what do we get here? So what do we get here? We get it as 3 times x into x minus 1, okay, and then 3 minus 9 by 4 minus 7 by 4 minus 16 minus 4. That's it, okay. Now see, we need f of 2016. So I will replace x square minus x by 2016. That's it, bachcho. So what do we get? We get it as 3 times 2016 and then we have okay, this 3 was with it, okay, wait, this 3 is with it, minus 4. So it's 2048, 6044 should be the answer. That's it. So that was one approach normally which we follow whenever we have our functional equation, bachcho, okay. But then there can be one more conventional method also, and that is, see, f of a quadratic plus f of another quadratic is giving us a quadratic. Now what can that mean? That may mean, so I'm going for some alternative. So I may say that fx is nothing but ax plus b. Can you think of any other thing where if I replace x by a quadratic and we get back the quadratic? I don't think. Okay, so now that could be another method. So if you replace x by this and then equate, I mean, what are we going to do? So f of x square plus x will be what? A times x square plus x plus b. Similarly, f of x square minus 3x plus 2, what will be that? A x square minus 3x plus 2 plus b. And then compare it with, add them and compare it with 9x, and then we get a and b, and put the value for 2016 and put it in the RHS side. Okay, so that's it, bachcho. So that could be another method, but of course I tried to solve it using functional equation, and that was the method which I shared with you. So that's it. So that was 4th question, and I expect it, like the question, the weightage of question, I believe should have been a 3 marks question. That's why I put it under the category of 3 marks question. So we'll be coming up more such questions in the days to come, in the videos to come. So stay connected. Thank you.